How to use map view in Yelp to find places nearby. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. Here, you'll find the search icon at the top. In there, search what you want to search: restaurant, delivery, takeout, accountants, and other stuffs. Then make sure you've added your location, which is your location, and search. After you search, you'll find a map icon on the right side. You can simply click on the pins in the map and see for your nearby places. You can simply click on it and it will also lead you to that specific page in this way. And this is how to view map view and Yelp to find places nearby. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.